Alright, for anybody who does a fair amount of alignments or suspension work or suspension changes, autocross, drag racing, these could be very, very handy. Save a bunch of money going to alignment shop. You can get these for about 50 bucks or so on a good day. And I'll go over how they work and how to use them. So basically what you do is you take your plate and you put these pegs against the wheel on both sides, and you take your tape measure and run it through these slots like that, and you do that on both sides, and then you can get your reading off your tape measure off the back end of it. And when you do that, you can set your toe on your alignment. I mean, you do this after you set your camber, but you do your toe on your alignment, and that will get you pretty precise. You just make the tape measures read the same, and then you're done. Super simple, super cheap. It'll save you a ton of money going to the alignment shop. This is how I line this truck. That's how I line the car that you see in reflection. Anything I can get these plates on, I will align it. Of course, you can do the old school stream method. I already made a video on that. You can go check it out. You get these, save you a bunch of money in the long run, and it's like 50 bucks, like I said. You could also make money off of them. Just go around lining people's cars for them. Super simple, super easy, super cheap. Make money at doing it. It's how I get by with my race stuff and my street stuff. Everything but my four-wheel drive, because these pegs aren't long enough to reach around the bulge of the tire. But anything else, it'll do it. The only other thing I suggest getting for these would be a digital angle finder. That way you can set your camber before using these. You set your camber first, then you set your toe, because camber affects toe. As always, go build what you want. Don't go by anybody else's rules or how things, are perceived in society as acceptable. Do your own thing. Alright, Red Truck out.